Come November, California voters may or may not decide whether to change a unique state law. It allows workers to sue their employers on behalf of other workers in the state of California for violating labor laws.
And the issue is already qualified for the November ballot, but negotiations are underway to possibly take it off. KCRA 3 Capitol correspondent Ashley Zavala joining us to explain where the talks stand right now.
Yeah, still months out from the issue, but they only have about weeks to figure this out. So this law is known as the Private Attorneys General Act, also known as PAGA. And it's another issue that sort of pits labor groups against business groups and attorneys. Just a quick rundown of PAGA. This is a law found only here in California. As you both mentioned, with the help of private attorneys, it allows workers to sue their employers for state labor law violations on behalf of themselves, other workers, and the state. It's been around for 20 years. Critics say this allows attorneys to file frivolous and costly lawsuits on businesses and nonprofits. Supporters say it's an important tool to keep employers in check with state labor laws. Business groups successfully got this ballot initiative to qualify for the November ballot that would replace PAGA with a new system. That new system would basically give state regulators more power to enforce worker complaints, while also still allowing those private lawsuits to continue only if regulators cannot resolve the problem. A spokesperson for the campaign says this would be better for everyone involved.
The part where the attorneys are bringing cases in court is not working well for anybody. It's not working well for workers. They're getting pennies on the dollar. Employers are getting hit with fraudulent lawsuits that drag on for years. And the lawyers make out. The lawyers make the most money. They get 30 to 40% of whatever settlement is arrived at, and the workers get very little of that. We think there's a better way to get workers resolution faster and get them more money.
Now, we also know negotiations are underway to potentially get this off the ballot and instead have the issue resolved through legislation at the state capitol. We know those talks happening between business and labor groups. We also know the governor is involved. Here's what he told business leaders at an event in Sacramento last month.
I know more than I can share because I want to be very sensitive. We're in the middle of negotiations on this, and anything I say on this can and will be used. Period. Thank you.
So coming up tonight at 6, we'll hear from the labor side of this, from the leader of the California Labor Federation, Lorena Gonzalez, just again to provide more of that workers' perspective on all of this.
Wow, the governor was very tight-lipped on that.
Very tight-lipped.
Okay, so the last initiative that was negotiated off the ballot between business and labor groups was on California's fast food minimum wage, and we know non-disclosure agreements were used in that one to keep things secret. Are they being used for this one?
So as we have been working this story, I have asked that repeatedly of some of the groups involved here, especially with what you just heard the governor say. Both sides say apparently they are not being used here. They also note there's really no guarantee that the negotiations will be successful in getting this off the ballot. The ballot needs to be certified by June 27th. So again, they really only have weeks to figure this thing out if, it doesn't go to voters. So here we are.
Okay.
Time's ticking.
Yep.
Thank you, Ashley.